Hey, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I made a short video for Williamsburg plumber. In this short video, I'll be showing you guys 3 things you can do today to bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you see in here, shoot me a message and we can chat. The 3 things I'm going to talk about today will be content, citations, and backlinks. I'll get right to it. So as you can see, I'm on the home page of your company's website, and when I say content, I'm talking about everything that's on here, from the words, pictures, background, videos, everything. And when it comes to content, Google loves content. More the merrier. On this home page alone, you want to be having at least 1,500 or more words, which are going to be full of keywords and targeted words for your market. So keep in mind, you want to have at least 1,500 or more keywords or just words on this home page right here. As I can see, it looks like you made out the website. Looks pretty clean, but you can definitely use a lot more content. Like, there's a lot of empty spaces you can fill out, and you can put them clickable content and a lot of other things. You can fill it up. So you already have it made, which is a good thing. You just need to add some more content here. Second thing I want to talk about today will be citations. And I just did a quick little search for like HVAC companies around New York City. This is just a basic search for if customers search anything, this is what their results is going to look like, more or less. So this top section right here is called the Google Guaranteed section. This is a paid service through Google in which they have a verification process for a business. Once the business verifies with them, they're allowed to advertise right here. It's a great place to be because it's the first thing customers look at, and it's been giving really strong leads. The second section is your traditional Google Ads section right here. This is a hit or miss in 2020 because a lot of people skip this intentionally, and a lot of people have ad blockers, which if that's enabled, they're not going to see this at all. If placed properly with the right information, it can definitely get you some leads. If not placed properly, it's just going to turn into a money pit. So who you advertise with really matters. Going down from there, we move on to this section, which is called the Google Map Pack. Here, I'll explain to you really quickly what a citation is. A citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can input your business information, such as your business name, address, and phone number. That counts as one citation. And the more you have, the better for your business. And this map pack section is a really good place to be because it shows up right on the top. It even shows up on when people look at businesses in their phone. So my recommendation is always for businesses to try to make it to this top 3 spots, and we specialize in that. After that, we go down to the section called the organic section. Over here, you'll find the websites and businesses which have beat out and outranked their competitors and made it to the top, or rather the first page of the Google searches. This is where you want to be. This is the place where you'll get the most customers. Third and last thing I want to talk about today will be backlinks. A backlink is basically any website out there which provides a link going to your website. Now I'll use this tool called Ahrefs to explain a little better. This tool is really great. They buy their data directly from Google, and it's a monthly paid service, but it gives me great information, and I can assess the performance of any website. So as you can see, I've got your website pulled up right here, and from what I can see, you guys have 4 referring domains, giving you 69 backlinks, giving you 41 keywords, which are giving you about 15 people visiting the website per month. Now, to compare this to another competitor in New York City, I'll show you what their numbers look like right here. As you can see, it's a really big difference. Now let's just go strictly to the numbers. They've got more than 700 referring domains, giving them more than 3,000 backlinks, which give them more than 26,000 keywords, which give them at least 26,000 people visiting their website every single month. This is the kind of numbers you want to be going towards. Let's go back to yours really quickly. Now, boosting these numbers is really doable, and that's what we specialize in. And I'll go back to your website. I told you I'll keep it short and sweet. That's pretty much all I had for today. So I hope you found this video to be educational. And if you want to know more on how NYC marketers can help your business grow online, please give me a call. I'd love to chat. I would also like to hear some feedback on what you thought about this video and how I did. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.